been collecting Led Zeppelin albums on cassette tape, which has kind of become one of my prized possessions, but they've been buried in a box in storage because I haven't known what to do with them. So I finally have about 30 minutes where I can build something that will showcase their majesty and beauty. It's gonna be cheap, it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be awesome, and I'm gonna hang it up in my garage so I can show off these babies. I'm gonna use this scrap wood here, this little piece of plexiglass. Let's see how it goes. Check it out in all its glory. That's pretty dang good for scrap wood. This piece of plexiglass, all I gotta do is cut off pretty much one line. So I'm gonna mark it and cut it. Just big enough. I have these self-tapping screws that I'm gonna use. Kind of go every few inches. That should hopefully hold it in place pretty well. I'm going to use some dark bronze Rust-Oleum hammered paint to give it a nice, cool looking finish. Yeah, we'll see. Since it's an oil-based paint, it's taken a few days to fully cure. It was kind of sticky for a couple days, especially since it's colder right now. So I took it inside and just let the paint cure in a warm environment. But check it out, it turned out awesome. The edges cleaned up really nice. Oh, it's beautiful. So now I'm gonna throw the tapes in there, get the plastic pulled off, and we'll finish it up. There you have it. Is it not like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? That is such high display quality. Just look at it. Beautiful. I sure do love it. And it's gonna look great on my wall somewhere. They're pretty tight in there too. And if I ever want to pull one out and listen to it, I can just unscrew it and pop it in the cassette player. Thanks for watching.